Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not already, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on all of my other videos. Today, I had no idea what to do for a video because I didn't plan one, so we did a questionnaire. I scrounged through the internet. Didn't really scrounge. I found a couple websites with questions on them for questions for YouTubers. So I found some questions. I answered them. It was good, great fun. I did my makeup. Okay, that's all. So if you're interested, please continue watching and figure out some things about me. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love this so much. This is probably my favorite primer. And then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation Stick in the shade Fawn and the Sonia KASHUK Contour Stick. Okay, so let's look. I just Googled YouTuber question things. So if you could live anywhere, where would that be? I think if we're in the States, I would say Texas. I lived there for 2 years and I hated it when I first lived there. And then after I left, I'm like, wow, I really miss Texas. I really loved it when I was there. Another question, have you ever been in the snow? I live in Iowa, so yes, I have been in the snow. Ugh. I actually used to snowboard a lot, and I had a big group of friends that we'd go snowboarding with and skiing with. Some of them skied as well. Had our own group called the Posse, and we had t-shirts and everything, so it's pretty cool. How many pairs of shoes do you have? I don't know. Way too many. But I will tell you, I wear the same, let's see, I wear my tennis shoes, my Birkenstocks, my Nike slides, my Michael Kors heels, and then another pair of tennis shoes sometimes, and my brown sandals. And I think that's pretty much it. So interchangeably, 6 pairs that I wear actually a lot. And then I have a lot of shoes that sometimes I'll wear that I actually need to go through and purge because I have way too many. Plus I'd like to make room. I feel like if I get rid of stuff, then I feel more comfortable with buying new shoes. Like I will not buy another pair of shoes because I know I have so many, but I'm like, I don't wear them. Some of them are like really old that just need to get chucked. So I need to do a purge. Next question. Do you like TV talent shows? I'm assuming those are the shows like American Idol and America's Got Talent, which I love America's Got Talent so much. American Idol, I feel like I haven't watched for a long time, but I also have not had TV for a long time. Like, I watch Netflix and I have Amazon Prime, and I don't even have like Channel 7 and Channel 9, which are the basic TV channels. I just don't watch them. So I haven't been able to watch them for a long time, but I just recently got Hulu, so I have actually been able to watch America's Got Talent this season, and I love it so much. And maybe an unpopular opinion that I have about it is I love, like, when you find a good singer, you find a good singer, and I think that's amazing. And I don't mind watching them on America's Got Talent, but my favorite acts on America's Got Talent are the actual acts. Like when you see people doing this acrobatic stuff, and those light shows are probably my favorite. But that's the kind of stuff that if I'm going to Vegas, I'm going to watch that. Like I want to see a show. You know what I mean? I mean, it's America's Got Talent, so it's not restricted to just acts and stuff. I just think it's really cool because there's already The Voice and American Idol, so I think it's cool when like a performance act type thing wins. What do you think? Let me know. Sticking with the TV theme, do you like scary movies? No. I hate scary movies. I don't even like watching scary previews. I used to be able to handle them a little bit better when I was younger, but even then, I've always hated them. I get such bad nightmares. It's just kind of torture for myself. I watch happy movies. Have you ever cried at a film? I cry at everything. Movies, shows, doesn't matter. America's Got Talent, cried. I don't know. Lion King, cried. I'm not talking about the new one. I haven't seen that yet. But I'll probably cry at that too. What was my first job? My first job was at Dairy Queen, and it was actually a really fun job. And I had a lot of friends that worked there, so that was really nice. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Pearlize. This is my favorite blush in the entire world. I also used the Too Faced Do You foundation. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit for a little brightening. And then I used my Estee Lauder, what is that noise? Oh, Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. If you have a nickname, what is it? When I was a kid, my uncle nicknamed me Wilma. Nobody really calls me that anymore. So I've also been called K-Bag, Kylie Buttons. Do you have any other nicknames? I don't really have nicknames. What is your pet's name? My pet's name is Nismo with an N. She is named after a brand of car parts, pretty much. Do you believe in love at first sight? I don't know if I necessarily believe in love at first sight, but I will tell you, when my husband and I first met, as soon as I saw him, I'm like, okay, that's the guy. That's the guy we need to meet. So my friends all went up to him and that's how I met him. So wine or beer? That depends on the day and on the beer and on the wine. I like them both. Okay, I just used my OFRA Rodeo Drive highlighter. I used my HOOLA Benefit bronzer for bronzing. I set my face with the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Setting Spray and the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I'm going to prime my eyes with the MAC Painter Elite Paint Pot. If you won the lottery, what would you do? I would piss my pants. Honestly, if I won the lottery, I don't think I'd tell anybody, aside from my husband, of course. But I think we would be very smart with the money. I think we would invest a lot of it, maybe pay off our house. We don't have any bills or debt or loans or anything like that aside from our house loan. So I think maybe pay that off and invest and maybe buy something a little nice. Today I'm going to be using the Violet VOSS Pro palette. Oops. I have not used it before, but my friend Jessica has it and she's like, it's really good. So I'm like, I'm gonna have to try it, thanks. Have you ever been on TV? I might have, I think so. When my brother was in the Air Force, he came home on leave and my dad had the local news station go to the airport and like report on it. So I'm pretty sure I was on TV then. That was fun. What's your birthday? February 23rd. My star sign, is that like, does that, like my astrology sign, is that the same thing as a star sign? I'm a Pisces. My favorite color, probably pink. I do also like green. Favorite pizza topping, pineapple. Fight me. Favorite alcoholic drink, probably White Claw right now. Favorite TV show, that's a hard one. Right now I'm really into A Handmaid's Tale, or The Handmaid's Tale. It's on Hulu, it's really good, you should check it out. I also just started Veronica Mars, and my other favorite is probably Grey's Anatomy. If you could collab with anyone right now, who would it be? Tati. I love Tati so much. I think she's so classy. She's good at what she does. I don't think she gets enough credit at all. I just love her. All places you have pierced on your body. I don't have very many piercings, at least anymore. Well, I never really had a whole lot. I've got it double on both sides, and then I got my tragus and cartilage on my left ear. Those are the only piercings I currently have. I used to have my belly button pierced, but when I got pregnant, I just took it out. I had my lip pierced several times. I got it professionally done once. I think you can see it right here. And then the other place I had pierced was my back dimples, which were my favorite piercings in the entire world. But one of them was ripped out because I was wrestling with my friend in the gravel and couldn't tell you why. I mean, it was all for fun and games. We weren't like mad, we were just wrestling for fun. That got ripped out. And then the second one, I think, just ended up getting rejected. Have you ever laughed at the wrong moment? Absolutely. I am one of those people where I used to never understand how people can just laugh at really awkward times or like at really serious times and stuff. And I totally get it now. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and this is the Oh my gosh, I love this mascara so much. On the lips, I'm wearing Jeffree Star's lip liner in the shade Doll Parts, and then I'm using his Question Mark and Celebrity Skin Lip Velour liquid lipsticks. So one more question, that is, can you spend all your money on something stupid? No, I can't. I can barely spend money as it is. When I go shopping, I'm like, wow, this shirt is $10. That's pricey. I can't spend $10 on a shirt for myself. But then I can go to the store and spend like $20 on a really cute dress for my daughter, or a really cute pair of shoes for her. I can spend money on her like no problem. I guess if I save for something, like if I know I'm purposely going to be spending this amount of money on something stupid, then yes, because I'm prepared for it. But I can't just on a whim spend. I can't. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed watching me do my makeup and answering some questions, because if you have ideas for the next video, please leave them in the comments below. And I would also love for you to answer a few of those questions yourself, or just tell me a couple random facts about yourself. I love to get to know you guys as well. So let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!